Imagine a world where half of Earth's trees vanish overnight. The consequences would reverberate across the planet, affecting not only the environment but every living creature that calls Earth home. Trees are the lungs of our planet, playing a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. A 50% loss would disrupt this delicate balance, leading to a domino effect of environmental degradation. With fewer trees, ecosystems would suffer. Habitats for countless species would disappear, leading to mass extinctions and irreparable damage to biodiversity. But it's not just the loss of biodiversity we must worry about. Trees also play a vital role in regulating climate patterns and maintaining soil health. Without trees, we would see an increase in carbon dioxide levels, exacerbating climate change and leading to more extreme weather events such as droughts and floods. Soil erosion would also worsen, affecting agriculture and food security. The loss of trees would also have profound effects on human communities around the world. However, all hope is not lost. There are steps we can take to prevent such a catastrophic scenario. By promoting reforestation, adopting sustainable land management practices, and advocating for conservation efforts, we can mitigate the loss of trees and protect our planet for future generations. Let us remember that we are stewards of this earth, and it is our responsibility to protect and preserve it for all life that inhabits it. Together, we can make a difference. Let's work towards a future where Earth's forests remain vibrant and flourishing. Subscribe for more related videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Thank you.